Hello everyone, in this video we will cover how to take a screenshot. So what is a screenshot? So a screenshot is like it captures your current screen. So everything you have on the screen you can capture that screen. So that is what the screenshot does. So to learn in more details you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So we are back at my desktop. So first of all, we will have to go to the type here to search, then search for the snipping tool, and it is already here. So I will click on this, and to take a screenshot, I will just have to simply click on new, the new snip. So if I click over here, now I can capture all the screen I want, any portion of the screen I want. So if I want to take a screenshot of my entire desktop, I can just simply click and drag. So now here in the snipping tool, it is a screenshot of my entire desktop. You see? So this is the screenshot of my entire desktop. Now if I want to cross it, it will ask me to save it. You can, if you want to save it, you can click on yes, and then it will ask you to where you want to save it and the name. And if you want to just simply go back, you will just have to click on close and just click on no. If you want to copy this image, you can just right click over here and copy this image and paste wherever you want. So now let's try taking another screenshot. So I will have to go to the snipping tool. Okay, now I will just take a screenshot of this portion, the from the all softwares to the notepad. So let's have a look. So now you see I have just taken the screenshot of this portion. So this is how you can capture your screen or take a screenshot. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to take a screenshot. So thank you for watching.